Good afternoon again, Goddard family. This is Mr. Miles here with another activity for you today. We always talk about why it's so important to wash our hands, but my friends, do you know why it's so important for us to use soap? We're going to find that out today, why you need soap more than just water. Soap is a huge key in keeping your hands clean, so I'm going to show you a little experiment. What you'll need is some water, ground pepper, but not too much. I'll show you just about how much you need. Some dish soap and a bowl to put this all in. Let's do it. So here you can see my little bowl here. It's not too big. I got a little bit of water, just enough to fill it, and some ground pepper I sprinkled on the inside. Our ground pepper here is going to be representative of our germs. So here's what we're gonna do. You put the pepper in the water, and then you gotta get a little bit of your dish soap. Something like this will work just fine. Now if you watch my hand carefully, if I put it in the water, the germs still kind of stay there, right? And it just gets on me. You can see the pepper on my finger. We don't want that. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how soap can repel germs. So we take the soap. So now I'm going to put a little bit of dish soap on my finger. Just a little, not too much. Just enough. So it's going to kind of look like that, not a whole lot. You ready? You take your finger. Oh, did you see how all of the germs flew away from me? Not a single bit on my finger. And that shows you why using soap is so important for washing your hands. So that experiment just showed you what 1 second of soap can do. So now imagine using 20 seconds of washing your hands with soap. All that soap will help break down those germs and push them off of your skin, so when you run it underwater, it all comes off. And that's why it's so important to wash your hands. And I want to see if you and your family can come up with a nice little song, 20 seconds, a special song for you guys, just for you to use for washing your hands for 20 seconds. And that'll bring a nice little twist, bring some music in it. You can even do little movements with your hands if you want. My next video, I can probably come up with a few hand washing songs for you guys to join me in. Until next time, this is Mr. Miles, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your beautiful afternoon.